Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now if you own any kind of camera equipment or drones or anything like that, this may just be an occurrence that you are used to. You're right, love.
Don't leave that there. Take that drone upstairs. Come and move this drone off the side.
So hopefully some of you can relate to that. Now my missus, bless her little cotton socks, likes to keep a nice clean house, and I'm forever grateful for that, trust me. But what that means is most of my equipment and camera stuff gets left on my desk, just like this. Now that's not the best way of storing it. So in this video I'm going to change one of my drawers into a equipment drone storage drawer using some of this foam that I picked up cheap off eBay and some LED lights. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so this is how I normally have it. So let's get this drawer to empty first. Move everything out. Don't need those in there. Get rid of those, get rid of them. Definitely don't need them in there. Give it a quick clean. That looks better already. Now the foam I'm not going to stick down just in case I have to alter it. And cutting it to size was pretty easy. And let's stick everything in and have a look. Make sure it all fits. And then the LED lights, we're just going to run around the edge. I've put a power supply at the back as well, so the batteries can be charged. Right, let's have a look what it looks like once finished. Whoa, enough of the cinematics, Let me show you what it's really about. Let's have a look inside. Okay, this is what we've got. So we've got all the batteries for the Airduo in here, the Mavic Mini, my lenses. We've got power running in at the back there, so everything can be charged whilst inside the drawer. The good thing about this foam is the way it's shaped, it stops everything from rolling around. Quite handy, and yeah, that took about literally 20 minutes just to put in there, run some wires around with the LEDs, and perfect for storing all your stuff. So I hope you really enjoyed that. We've turned the drawer now into a futuristic Tron-like storage for the drone and camera equipment. Now I'll link the foam in the description. It was about £10 for 12 sheets. I only ended up using 3 or 4 of them, and the LEDs were about £8. I'll link them as well in the description. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm off to pick up my pants and socks and find somewhere to store them now. But if you like this video, why not give it a like? And if you want to see further videos from myself, why not subscribe to my channel? Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe guys, and we'll catch up soon.